Peace. Welcome back to the Absolute Boss Collective. Today's video is going to be all about accountability. Okay? Now, before we get into that topic, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. The Absolute Boss Collective is all about financial freedom for the little guy. Okay? This is for the working class people. This is for the people on the streets. This is the people who is trying to make $1 out of 15 cents. That's what this channel is all about. Okay? Do your brother a favor and scissor kick that like button real quick. It helps out the channel. Okay? So I would appreciate that if you do that. Also, hit the notification bell. Okay? This way you'll know when I come out with new videos, when my contest prize is given out, $500. Make sure you signed up for that. Okay? So without further ado, let's get right into accountability. Accountability is an obligation or willingness to accept responsibility or to account for one's actions. Okay? So if you want to look at my shirt, okay, Wu-Tang, their first single was what? Protect Your Neck. Whose responsibility is it to make sure you get home safely or make sure you live your life successfully? I also have a quote from Les Brown who says, accept responsibility for your life. Know that it is you who will get you where you want to go. Okay? So to put a financial spin on this, okay, it is your responsibility to take care of your financial future. Whatever led you to where you are now, if you're not where you want to be financially, it is your responsibility to get you where you need to go. Okay? You must be accountable for your future, your financial growth and development, as well as your trading and investing performance. Okay? Now, that said, depending on where you are with your journey, if you're just starting out, don't stress the monetary goals, okay? You want to focus on the behavior of being a responsible investor, a responsible trader, okay? Now, some of the things that you can do to be responsible is before you invest in a company, try to learn as much as you can about it, okay? Learn about the sector that it's in. Learn about the different cycles that may play a part in it. Okay? If you're trading, learn how to accept a loss. Wins and losses comes with this game. And that goes for trading and investing. You know what I mean? Sometimes you're going to have to accept a loss. Okay? And that's really, speaking from experience, that's one of the hardest things to learn how to do. Okay? The main thing is you got to know yourself. You got to know what your goals are. You got to know how to chart a course to get to where you want to go. All right? You have to humble yourself. If you're new to the stock market, recognize that. Don't expect to come in and turn around and in one day become a millionaire. It's not going to happen. Humble yourself. Okay? Own your mistakes. Okay? You know what I'm saying? If you wasted a lot of your time, you wasted a lot of money, and you're saying, hey, I wish I would have did this earlier. Hey, you made a mistake. You made a bad call. Let's move on. Let's move forward. Okay? Manage your time appropriately. Okay? Everybody has the same 7 days, and everybody has the same 24 hours in a day. It's your responsibility to use that time wisely. Okay? So, being accountable on this journey means that if you know you're supposed to be studying, selecting stocks and things of that nature, then go ahead and do it. Nobody's going to do it for you. Okay? One of the things that you can do to kind of supercharge your accountability is, find someone that you can trust and share your goals with them. Okay? Now, this is not for the naysayers. This is not for people that you talk to and they're going to tell you you can't do that, that's not possible. That's not the type of people you want in your circle, okay? All right? Understand that you're going to have to make wise decisions. And in order for you to make wise decisions, you're going to have to put yourself in the company of the wise people, okay? So there's going to be some people in your life that you trust, that you can that you go to for counsel and things like that, that are wise, okay? These are the type of people you want to seek out and say, hey, look, these are some of my goals, okay? And you can kind of report into those people, daily, weekly, monthly, whatever, okay? Sometimes this fosters that sense of responsibility because you have to be accountable to that person, which we would call an accountability partner, okay? Now, that's a good idea if you're someone who tends to give yourself too many breaks. You know what I'm saying? So if you have an accountability partner, somebody that loves you, you know what I'm saying, or cares about you, they're going to tell you like it is. They're going to tell you the truth. Okay? And sometimes the truth is a bitter pill. It's hard to swallow. Yet, that can assist you in making sure you're on your right path and you do what you need to do. Conversely, if someone comes to you to be an accountability partner, don't spare their feelings. Tell them the truth, okay? Because you have a responsibility as an accountability partner to come to that person and tell that person the truth because you will want the same thing, okay? You can join, as far as trading and investing goes, you can join some of these Facebook groups. There's a lot of Facebook groups out there. I'm a member in a lot of them, okay? You can use these groups, and now be careful in these groups, okay? Because going in these groups and you see, oh, people are buying AMC, that doesn't mean run and go buy AMC, okay? However, you could use that to say, hey, I'm entering this particular trade or I'm investing in this particular company. And there's a possibility that those people will get at you if that trade goes against you or whatever. So this will kind of force you to make sure that all your ducks are in a row before you go and start posting things everywhere, okay? Lastly, accurate record keeping. You know what I'm saying? Journal. I keep telling y'all, journals are very important. So when you write about your journey, okay, then you can go back and review that and see what caused you to make certain errors or what caused you to be successful. And you can repeat the steps or the behaviors that allowed you to be successful and eliminate the ones that didn't. This is how you can be victorious, okay? By having accountability, okay? Another thing, man, you need to be responsible for your financial future. And one of the ways that you can do that is by entering my contest. Okay, I know it was a cheap plug. I just had to throw that in there. Okay, check for that video, $500 giveaway announcement. Make sure you enter it. It's 5 simple steps to enter the contest. Okay, and I wish you well. You know what I'm saying? I will. Somebody wins that contest and is able to change their life, starting with that $500 prize I'm giving away. This is your brother in trading and investing, signing off for the Absolute Boss Collective. Peace.